So this is something that just arrived in the mail. I got it on Depop, and I'm really happy with it. I feel cute. It's a little bit big in the waist, so I'm probably gonna sew some darts into it, just make it fit a little better. But it's got this really cute little slit, very flattering. There's a little bow detail in the back. So I'm really happy with this. I'm super excited to like style it and stuff. Oh my god, it matches my nails. I did Christmas. So yay! Oh my god, feeling so cute. And then I also got this blazer from the same seller, which I thought was really cute. I probably wouldn't wear it with this unless it had like matching shoes or a bag or something, but I just love this pattern in the blue. So hello. Okay, this is how I'm gonna style it for the winter, I think, but I'm still wearing the little top underneath with my favorite sweater, and I think it's so cute. Yay! Okay, I finished like styling this outfit and oh my god, I'm in love. So these are my little white boots. Got my skirt, which I thrifted, and then my nice sweater, little bag, and then my matching Christmas mail. So gang. Also my earrings, they're very like small and subtle, but the green matches the sweater. So sick.
I was mystified by those.
as a mess, but tell me this isn't the cutest outfit I've ever worn. Like, I'm living for this. That's so Christmas. I fucking love these pants, and they like hit at such a nice length with these shoes. Oh, I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it. And I've got my little necklace my boyfriend gave me. Feeling so cute. Okay, I'm going to take a gift for my grandma to her Secret Santa. So, bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
Whoopi, it's okay. Jess. He just wants to play Coop.
Hi. I am sitting at my desk with terrible lighting. I am rolling, if you know what that means. That was a terrible wink. But if you don't, you didn't hear anything. I just wanted to like talk to you, I guess, and put some of me actually talking in the vlog, which would be cool. I think this is the part of YouTube I get scared about, which is funny because I did theater for a really long time, so like talking in front of people is like not scary, but like I think maybe it's more like not the talking in front of people, it's more of the like addressing my own feelings and like dealing with the stuff I don't want to deal with in my brain. Yeah, because I avoid shit. But yeah, I'm doing good. I don't know, I just wanted to check in. It's almost Christmas, which is exciting. I'm wearing my boyfriend's sweatshirt. That's really cute. I might steal it. Don't tell him. I have my tree set up. See the lights, but there's my glowy tree right there. I got a bunch of really cute outfits from Newly, which if you want to watch that video, I'll put a little card so you can. And I've been making really cute outfits with it. I looked so good today. I looked so good today. Which I guess you'll see because that clip is going to be in here also. What am I doing? What have I been up to? My brother washed my car today. I took a gift for my grandma to her Secret Santa for her garden club, which was pretty funny. And I like dressed up in a Santa hat and everything to take it. So that was fun. I don't know. Anything else? What else am I doing? I applied for a job today. I really need a job. That's what a lot of like my stress is coming down to right now is like my parents give me money and like that's great, but I also like really would like to be self-sufficient. These past couple months I haven't gotten a job because for a couple reasons. My grandma that I live with is 95. She fell, and that's like why I moved in with her, among other things. I also just wanted to move out of my parents' house, and I love my grandma, so yeah. I didn't really want to get a job because I didn't want to be like out of the house too much, because I want to like be here for my grandma. Like, that's the point of me living here. It's like making sure she's safe and that I'm here if something happens. But I've been looking at jobs that are like pretty close by, so that's good. So hopefully I get something. But yeah, I applied for like an office assistant position. I'm gonna apply for a job at Whole Foods, which is funny, but hey, I feel like if I can get any job, it's a job at a market, right? Right. If I get rejected from that, that'd be so sad. But yeah, it's not like, again, it's not like I desperately need money and I don't want to take away an important job from someone that does. But I would really like some extra money. I want to go camping with my boyfriend. I want to fucking travel next semester because it looks like I'm going to be in LA again. So that would be cool. I really just want to get out of my routine. I want to do things for myself. I want to go places. And sadly, all of that requires money. And like my parents would probably pay me for some of that stuff, but I really rather would earn it personally. Oh, so who knows what'll happen. I'm just trying to like manifest some good shit, and like I don't want a job. I don't want to work. I have a huge course load next semester because I ended up dropping a bunch of classes this semester. So like it's gonna be stressful if I do get one of these jobs, but it'll also help me out in the long run. I can save some money. I can start spending my money the way I want, and I can do those camping and travel things that I want to do. I really want to like rent a van and go up the California coast. That's one of my goals, I guess. I have so many traveling goals that I feel like as I get older are less and less likely to happen, and that's like a really stressful thought for me because when I was younger I just wanted to leave. Like I wanted to go anywhere and everywhere. Like I really wanted to just like travel as much as possible, and then now I just feel so stuck, which is for a lot of reasons, but I feel really stuck, and like I feel like I also like part of that like wanderlusty part of me is also kind of dying, I think, which is sad, but maybe that also means like maybe I'm happy where I'm at, you know, which would be cool. I really like living here. I really do. I like being with my grandma a lot. I like this house. I like my room. I like my setup. Oh, I also might do a big painting project. That's what I'm thinking about for over break once Christmas is over. I think I might do a big paint job because the paint on these walls is like so cracked and horrible. You can see it in the ceiling right here. It's so bad. So I might do that. That would be really fun and cool. We'll see. I don't know what color though. I'm thinking maybe a mint. I know that that's so trendy right now though, and I don't want to be like annoying, but I like that color, and I think it would be nice with my room because I have these like pinkish curtains, and I really like pink and green together, and like I don't know, I think it would be a nice compliment to the room. Everything is like warm tones, so something kind of cooler might be nice. And I wouldn't do the whole room, I'd just do like a wall probably, and maybe fix those other walls, but not like paint them a different color, just paint them another white. See about that. We'll see if that happens. I've been reading a bit. probably won't read too much this week because it's fucking Christmas. But I'm reading Play As It Lays by Joan Didion, which is really good. I like it, I think, more than her essays. But that also might just be because I tend to like fiction more than nonfiction. I want characters, I want relationships, I want all the messy shit. And I feel like that's in fiction more than nonfiction, typically. Not always, obviously, but yeah, so that's been good. I do like her essays a lot. I think she does do a good job of making it, like, really making the people in it feel like characters and feel like you're getting to know them, even if that's not necessarily what they are. But yeah, so I don't know. That's about it. If you're one of those creepy men watching me right now, hi. I don't know why you're here, but hi. It seems like that's all the people that watch me, which is really sad. If you're a person watching who's not a creepy man, please comment. That would make me really happy. No, like, genuinely, that would make me really happy. Because it feels really pointless and sad to put all of these out to only have creepy men comment on them. I do get good comments, and it's nice, like, when I get people that are excited about whatever I'm talking about. Like, it is nice, but a lot of the time it feels really fucking sad and gross. So I didn't mean to, like, end this on a down note, but oh well. I'm gonna go. I hope you're doing well. I hope you have a good Christmas or holiday or whatever you're celebrating. I hope you have something to celebrate this year, which, like, if you're alive, I guess that's something to celebrate in 2020. Yeah. People are fucking speeding on my street. Okay, anyway. Goodbye. I love you.